Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop application from running in the background on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Select the privacy and security tab left side. On right side scroll down guys. If you don't want to permission to access to microphone, for example I'm going to microphone and you just want to select this off guys. Anyone using this device can choose off their apps have microphone access when this is on. If you don't want it, you just need to turn it off guys. And if you don't want in specific application you are using it, you just need to turn off in here guys. Search, you just need to locate it and turn it off and go back. This is the same way you are using it. You just turn off the notification of any apps you are using it. Any specific apps you can turn it off guys. As the way everything you can do it in here guys. Voice activation, camera, location and notification and everything in here you can do it. Everything you can turn off the access to it. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.